What's going on? Today we got a vlog type video on stuff we doing on the 300. Say what's up with us.
How does shit go? We over here changing your fucking.
It's my power steering pump.
I'll go like this.
What up, though?
Say what up. We finna get down on this power steering pump. I'm finna show y'all the way through, the whole way through.
Right here now. Yeah, David, nice one.
Yeah, my boy David finna install it.
Yeah,
install it for me right quick, David. Something like install the Pro Charger right quick.
Take it off.
Take it.
Hey.
What you mean take it off? You supposed to take it off and install it. What up?
You got power steering fluid?
Nope. That's why you finna take me in the SRT to go get some.
I don't own SRT.
God.
Hey, oh, it's Daniel truck.
Oh my God, we in the Sierra.
Sierra Daniel.
Oh God. Say you two trying to come too.
Hey, I'll take you.
I'm just playing, but I'll be in a minute.
We're finna come back when this motherfucker's coming off.
Yep. Finna hit AutoZone or something right quick so I can get some power steering fluid. I'm in the Sierra with my boy Sierra Daniel.
What up, though?
Float this off. Let me see if fat ass pull.
Stomp on
I can't quit playing with him. Yeah.
And this is like the Yukon.
For real.
Yeah. It's a 5.3 or 6.2?
5.3.
Damn, my Yukon, this bitch feels just like this.
Yeah, I still got a LS3 swap Yukon as a daily.
It's a little gnarly. I mean, got like, your shit got 224. And it's got like 260.
Sheesh. Just pulled up. Got the big Sierra parked there. My boy Daniel tripped out. Shit. I don't think bro know where the lines at. Hey, bro. What's up with that, though? Huh?
There's no explanation, you know, I just...
Let's go get what we need. We got what we need. Here, miles. Good,
Your brother got
pulley.
calipers?
Yeah, they only am like that.
Oh, that's Mona.
Look, they got my brother in the GXP. We done caught him lacking.
Stop.
Oh, whoa. Hey!
Right here. Taking off another hose right there. You can see.
Get that all loosened up, buddy. Just like that.
Nice.
Make sure that O-ring is undamaged, still usable. But no. Might be a 10. Yeah, it's a 10.
That boy's on there.
Alright, we'll get some lubrication. Adrian kindly left behind for us.
Some lube on that motherfucker.
There we go.
You know that
Locked up or something. Bad luck. It's fucked up.
I told him he could come
Wish that on anyone, man.
Putting the new one together. Off the, what's that?
Connector hose, I guess. I don't know. I don't know exactly what it's supposed to be called, but it's that boy right there. Sir.
Nice. What's next?
I'm gonna take all these 10 mils off. We got 3 of them right here.
You gotta take all these little ass bolts right here.
They're gonna be like, why the fuck is all these tools in the bag? Sometimes I go mobile with it, y'all.
No cap.
Gotta go
Mobile mechanic.
Sometimes. If I got to.
Yeah, boys on there. Go ahead and pull that sucker out.
Loosen these by hand.
Last bolt.
Feed it through the holes.
That's the last bolt?
No, we got one more, man.
Oh. One more bolt left.
So excited yet.
My bad.
Like, alright.
Alright, looks like we're taking this
Out of court. Got that pool installed there, fellas.
nice.
Nicely fit. Everything perfect. Yup.
On there, adding the, what is that, Oscar?
5W20, full synthetic,
Bullshit.
high mileage. This mobile one. Does your car not have high miles?
Nice, nice.
Hey, where my cooling at? Give some good.
I didn't fill it up already, bro. You late, bro.
Nice, man. That's how I like it.
You late. You're fucking late.
The owner
Nice.
finally came.
Fuck it, start the car.
These are advanced tools the mechanic was talking about. You gotta get the advanced tools out.
Gotta have the proper tools.
We're gonna change the pulley and the thing and the thing. Then the SRT8, we're gonna go swap the motor out of this black one right here. I mean this purple one.
Yep. Start these boys by hand.
Installing it now.
Shit hot as fuck.
Screwing each bolt in by hand.
Just to get her started, man. Just to get her started.
The owner over here is mad because I'm stealing his content because it's going on
You
my
have to
channel.
flush your shit. Don't void your warranty. Always flush the system.
Shit!
Pretty sure my boy Luis already got that through his brain. That shit's already all flush. Think of flushing is really all just taking the whole fluid.
Hey Luis, and then going to get a little ass, little bottle like this big. He's like, do you think this is enough, bro?
But I did it, so shut the fuck up.
Because I didn't like it. So now your shit would have been winding all the way back to already.
I was like, fuck. Bell back on. I don't even know what y'all thought of my filmers. Filming.
Just turn the key first.
Gonna do a starter just to get all the liquids through everything.
Everything's back in here. Try to turn it
Yeah,
on.
man. Look how shiny it is.
Nice.
You didn't even get everything step by step.
Huh? No, he did. He did.
Oh.
Yo. Nice. Why is the whining though? Nice. So it's gonna whine?
It's blue.
The other one was green. Nice.
Hey, this nigga was gonna get that little ass bottle.
Oh, goofy ass little boy.
Little boy.
Alright, yeah, that
Take some more.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh, yeah, I just turned to do that. Turn it.
Because of David.
Chill.
You're drowning the power steering pump. Bro, once I do the AC. Alright, we taking on the first rib. Right now, bro, I can tell the steering wheel like way, you know, yeah, it got that power steering back. It don't feel hard enough, but it feel good. We taking on the first test drive. Alright, we back. We already experimenting. We finna experiment with these SRT springs I had bought a few weeks back. I'm gonna just put them on since they're just laying around. Hopefully, it lower it or make it handle better. And now we getting the car all jacked up. The what? The wheel lock? Yeah. It's in the
Whatever the tools for, that's what the people. Yeah,
nice.
Fucking motor house. Yeah, bro, $200.
Tool cost.
Better get the wheels off and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, we got the wheel off. Something I forgot to show y'all is the fatties. I got some 275 40 20s
The brakes are full.
wrapped. Huh? I don't know why it's like that.
It's. Just put the new tool pads on it.
You think I should? I probably would. I probably am. They're in the trunk. But yeah, I had my tires is bald, so I just burned them off and got some fatties. Huh? Alright, so we got the spring off, as you can see. We got both.
Yours in the back.
Hey, yours is like an SRT type thing.
Look, it's for sure gonna lower it a little bit because the old spring is bigger.
I don't know how to drive truck.
My boy Noy right here said what's good to the video.
The real Taquache YouTuber right here.
Hey, make sure you hit up if you need any tile and remodeling, you know. Noy truck right there.
We was back on, but it's still high because we had to let it settle by taking it on a drive. But it's already sitting lower. It used to sit way higher. They flying down there, but I'm finna take it on the test drive so it could settle and stuff. So we just got back from the test drive. We had to stop at the gas station, and bro, it's sitting way nicer. Like it's only 3 fingers now. Wait, what? It's only 3 fingers. It's squatting now too, cause the front stock, so it's squatting. I think it looks good though. It has like the perfect stance sort of for a stock car. It's sitting good. Now I'm over filling it up with that 89. It also feels a little bit more stiff. It feels better. And the brake pad's better to everything. And the steering.
Vlogs, welcome to Hemi Vlogs.
What I thought.
Hey, let me drive it.
Huh? Alright. If you let me drive yours. Alright, y'all. So that's the end of the video. You know, we had this something slight to the 300. Just the power steering pump. You know, my older one was going out. It used to be whining and screaming. Sometimes it got so bad where the steering wheel would get hard, but it's coming along for sure. It almost got all new accessories. It's got a new alternator, new water pump, tensioner. That's not really an accessory, but new tensioner, power steering pump. I just need the AC condenser because I don't even got AC because it broke. I need to get that, but the serious mile we really did was SRT springs. I would say it lowered it about 1/2 inch. It's not really a lowering kit, I would say. It's like a leveling. It's leveled. But it made it ride way stiffer though, and now that it rides way stiffer, I could tell I need some new control arms. But I also put on these tails. I got them from my boy Osk. I just put them on there for now though to see if I like them. It looks okay. I still have the OEM ones, but I'm gonna show you how they light up. They're on. They look okay. I like how it makes the car look darker though. I do like that, but I still have the OEM ones. I'm not sure what I'll end up doing. Let me know what y'all think of those. Alright, y'all. I just ended the video, but the power steering pump done exploded on me again. I don't know why or what, but it did. So now I got this stretch models on, this junk, and I'm finna swap it out. A la verga. Alright, so the whole power steering pump off. We just gotta go get the pulley tool so we can take it off and install it. And look at the new ones. This boy ain't even silver. Round fish.
That boy janky black.
I swear, that shit gonna look bogus. Wanna see? Yeah, that shit gonna look bogus, bro. Alright, so this is the real end of the video, even though I had already ended it, but we had got that new power steering pump on. I'm still mad that it's black and not silver, but I'm still mad about how I had to buy 2 of them and how the other one like exploded. And it didn't explode, but it started working. Like what? It was the more expensive one too. I had to replace it with the little AutoZone one. But I ain't tripping. As long as the power steering work, it's all good. I also ended up taking off some taillights, back to OEM. Stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.